Yeah, geez, Harrison, if I'd known you, maybe known this program 30 years ago or so, you could have done wonders. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, I was bad. And I started. I'm getting the wobbles. I'm not.
Do you
It's
know
not.
why that's happening, Danny? Oh yeah.
Yeah, and you're hitting on something. Yeah, that I've done. It's happened a lot over my years. Is that if I would sometimes start a note, I don't know if I'm set up right, but it's a stick before it comes out. The notes. My tongue hits and
Yeah.
stops it, and then it starts up again.
Yeah. Was I wanted to ask you, you know, how have you gone through the program? So before you enrolled in Precision Brass Mastermind, right? Where, what were you struggling with?
Well, just mainly the instability, keeping my chops stable when I play, and starting out smoothly. Like oftentimes in a rehearsal and even in a performance, I have a rough start, I call it, and maybe by the second, sometimes third piece into it, things have settled down good.
Yeah.
But it doesn't start out good. And part of that, is probably because I haven't done a good enough warm up. And I got distance, but I can do more. I can do the stabilizer routine once I get there. I'm
Mhm.
there early enough. Usually everything's kind of chaotic when you get to the rehearsal site. But I do it before I leave here, and I got the mouthpiece in the car.
Mhm.
And when I can, I try and blow some steady tones on that and
Yeah.
position it good. You know.
Yeah. So you were struggling a bit with the wobbles and a bit of focal dystonia. So where are you now and what's gotten better through
I can,
Precision Brass?
yeah. Um, I can play without it. Like I said last night, it really went well.
Mhm.
And more often than not, sometimes I don't get to the other charts. I'll do this and I'll do some of the pages I've got here, work on that a bit, phase one, phase two, and then that I'll leave it alone because I can spend an hour or more doing that, just
Mhm.
working on those things. But
Absolutely.
that has helped. And again, I know where I got to focus on, and it's a matter of getting the mouthpiece consistently in the right place.
Great. Yeah.
And the most recent thing I learned right now is I got to have that against the gum line on the bottom lip. If I can feel that, that's the right spot and that'll keep it stable.
Absolutely.